Welcome to the Tasty Tiger Cooking Show. I'm Chef Maddie.
I'm Chef Avery.
And I'm Chef Hope.
Today we are going to be making garlic Parmesan chicken Bowtie pasta. So for our ingredients, we have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, ½ pound of skinless chicken breast, 1 teaspoon butter, half a red onion, half a bell pepper, 1 clove of garlic, 1 cup chicken broth, 1/4 cup milk, a half heavy whipping cream, 4 ounces of Bowtie noodles, which are over there cooking, 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of parsley.
So we're going to start by turning our pan on to a medium heat and melting the butter and olive oil. And then once the butter is melted, we're going to add our chicken breast in and then cook it for 3 minutes or until it's golden brown.
So one fun fact we have is the price of chickens are going to be going up because they're dying from an infectious and contagious disease called fowl typhoid.
And while she's melting the butter and olive oil and then cooking the chicken, I'm going to cut our red bell peppers. I'm going to do a small dice.
A fun fact about red bell peppers is they have more than twice the vitamin C of a green pepper.
And then once the chicken is fully cooked, we're going to add the small diced bell pepper into the pan for about 3 minutes or until it's softened a little bit. So now that she's finished cutting the pepper and our chicken is fully cooked, she's going to add the pepper into the pan. And then we're going to add the onions in with the peppers and chicken. We're going to add the garlic, pepper, and salt into the mixture. And then once this is all cooked for a little bit and softened, we're going to add in the chicken broth, milk, and heavy whipping cream.
There's the milk.
We're going to lower the temperature.
Whipping cream. And then the chicken broth.
And then we're going to let this simmer for a little bit so that the sauce can thicken. And while that simmers, our noodles are probably almost done. So they're almost done, so they're going to cook a little longer.
That's going to simmer for 5 minutes, and then we'll take off the heat. And then stir in the Parmesan cheese, and then add the noodles to it. Another fun fact we have is when we garnish our plate with parsley, it actually, chewing it, eliminates bad breath.
So the noodles are now fully cooked, so we're gonna strain the noodles. Yeah, so now we're gonna add in the Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna turn the heat off and add in the cheese.
Once that melts in and it's ready, we will add the noodles to our sauce.
Now we're gonna add in the noodles to our sauce. And now that everything is mixed together, we're gonna plate our dish. Now we're gonna garnish it with parsley.
So that is our garlic parmesan chicken Bowtie pasta. Thanks for tuning into the Tasty Tiger. See you next time. Toodles!